Please adjust your seat back so they're in their upright position. Put away your tray tables. Please turn off and put away all electronic devices at this time. If you do plan on using your cell phone once we have landed, please make sure you have that in your possession.
Seat backs forward, tray tables up, please. Seat backs forward, tray tables up. You know what? Sit down, sit down.
Marcia, sit down. Marcia, sit down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami, where the local time is approximately 9:30. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Leave all carry-on items secure and keep the aisles clear until the flight